My luggage got damaged while flying with Emirates. So ito, nagkaroon ng dent yung luggage ko. So first time to mangyari sa akin. Sa tagal-tagal ko nang nagta-travel. Hindi ko alam paano siya nagkaroon ng dent at paano nila to nagawa kasi this is a hard case. Ayan. And Ecolac pa yung brand nito para masira nila. So what I did, nung pagdating namin sa airport, nireport ko kagad ito doon sa baggage area nila sa Dinata. Kasi I flew with Emirates, na si Dinata yung nag-handle ng mga ganitong cases. Very accommodating naman sila. Hindi naman sila nakipagtalo or anything. Kinuha naman nila yung details ko. So they got yung details ng luggage ko. And then nagpa-file sila sa akin ng incident. So after giving them all my details, so binigyan nila ako nitong reference code. So I have to call them in 2 to 3 days. And to be honest, since I'm here to work, hindi naman ito vacation, napaka-hassle that I have to call them. And then I will also shoulder yung international cost of calling them pa just to follow up and get this fixed. Ang sabi nila kasi sa akin, they will go sa aming apartment and they will check this one and verify if talagang damage siya. So they will try to fix it. Pag hindi nila naayos ito, they will give me compensation or they will replace it. So I was supposed to call them na Tuesday pero today is Wednesday na. Pero I'm really busy kasi nasa workshops ako and hindi ko ma-schedule kung kailan sila pwedeng mag-drop by sa apartment namin just to check my luggage. I don't know. Ipapatry ko na lang na pasuntok ito doon sa kasama namin if it will get fixed. Kasi for me, hassle na kailangan ko pa sila tawagan, tapos ako pa magsischedule kailan sila pwede mag-visit. Pero ayun, naisip ko lang i-share itong experience sa inyo. So just in case you experience the same thing, madali naman mag-file ng case. But that also means kayo yung magko-coordinate, kayo yung kailangan mag-follow up at mag-schedule ng lahat ng bagay just to get your luggage fixed. O kaya i-replace nila. And sa totoo lang, sa tagal-tagal ko nagta-travel, more than 10 years, first time ito nangyari sa akin. So very disappointing. I just hope na madala ito sa tulak o kaya sa suntok. Maayos lang siya. Nakabother lang talaga makita na may ganyang dent yan. Kakabili ko lang din ito last year. So ayun lang guys. See you all next time.